Hello, good people. It's very late. Well, late to be filming. Basically, no sunlight left. I've been out here working for like the last 30 minutes. I wanted to show you guys. We got our first beam. We in there. So, I think I'm gonna try to get one more done before the sun, well, before the light is completely gone.
The next day.
I gotta start getting some work lights out here or something, because last night I walked straight into this and stabbed my leg. Hopefully I don't have any diseases. That was not fun. By the way, this is not a how-to video. None of these are. We're gonna keep it with that theme, because I don't want anybody to say, you know, you learned this from me and your house falls down, but mine didn't, just by chance. Not a how-to. All right, so now I'm just nailing it together. See if I can possibly get my assistant camera woman to come get a couple shots for me. Maybe, maybe not. She sounds busy. I hear children crying. Oh yeah, I got a new hammer. So I can just, bam, pop the nail in like that. And then just, that didn't work. We'll try that again. What the heck is happening? There we go, like that. I don't know if you can see it, but. Oh, wow. Must have been flustered by that, that little mistake there. Cause, what? Okay, it's gotta be me. I must still be sleepy. Yeah, my body's not awake. Maybe it's because I haven't had breakfast. Okay. Wow. Maybe I should go eat. I look like I don't know how to use a hammer. It's got me nervous in front of this camera. And we got a beam. Again, not a how-to. But yeah, that's what we got going today. Making beams. Swinging hammers and making beams. I'm not gonna show the rest of this because it's extremely repetitive. So I will pick back up when I'm finished. What's up, guys? I did a thing last night. Nothing's nailed in. I just got everything marked out. It's not perfect, but that's okay. Just trying to get close. It looks good though. Everything's level. That's what counts. We're going for straight, level, and square. The way I'm attaching these joists to the beams is with these hurricane ties. Oh snap, that one got bent. This is a weird angle. Can't pass me a thing. A thing.
Oh, you're learning.
Thank you. Ow. Huh. Been working. Got all of these boards in now. All the way across. Everything's in except for these back too. I need to get a different hurricane tire or strap or something. We just gonna pee right here, just right by my feet. We got some blocking in here. That's where I'm at right now. Still gotta do the other side.
Oh, you gotta wait. I hope you don't come back for me.
Still gotta do the other side, but it's looking good. What you think about it, wife? Whoa. Oh, got sawdust in my eye. Well, it'll come out eventually.
Alright, no, you should put some safety goggles on. I'll be alright. No, you should put some gloves on. I can't get into it, so I'll be alright.
When I get done, my skin will be like gloves. Because it'll be so hard and calloused. I think I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.